Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, today what I'm going to do, I'm going to attempt to cook a whole potato, rusted potato, on the Blackstone griddle. I'm not going to cut them up. I'm going to keep them whole. All right. Um, the internal temperature of a baked potato is approximately 212 degrees internally to be done. All right. So what I'm going to do, I am going to punch holes all in the potato to let steam out so they allegedly don't pop or explode on me in the griddle. I'm also going to hit them with some olive oil. All right, so let me get started with the baked potatoes by punching the holes in it, and I'll be right back. Like I said, I'm just going to punch some holes in it. Very simple, just punch holes all through the baked potatoes. All right. And this will help them actually cook also too. So let me finish up the rest of these potatoes, and I'll be right back. Punched all the holes into the baked potatoes, but now I'm going to hit them with some EBO, some olive oil. All right. I do have the griddle preheating, and I have a cookie sheet lined with aluminum foil and with what do you call it, a rack on top. All right, so the heat can circulate around the potatoes itself. They're not laying on the griddle itself. So, all right, I am going to actually insert a temperature probe into one of these potatoes, so I'll know exactly when it reaches the temp. Once that one reaches the temp, they're all done reach the temp. All right, so let me get outside and get these in the griddle. Okay, everybody, what I decided to do is that I am definitely going to do some smoking these potatoes also too. So let me get the smoker lit up here. It takes a moment to get this lit up. Not long. All right. There's a few more seconds. As you can see, I do have the rack here. That's what I'm going to stick the potatoes on. Because I looked online and I could not find anything with the griddle of baking potatoes on a griddle, the whole potatoes. Cut up potatoes, yes. All right. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to this one. Now, what I'm going to do, I have my temperature probe here. Now I insert my temperature probe. All right. So, get the rest of these oil. I'm not going to waste nothing. All right. And turn it on. Let's get it fired up. Okay. We have an internal temperature right now of 74 degrees. All right, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to, ooh, that's hot. Leave it. I'm going to close it up and let it do its thing. And I'm going to keep an eye on the temperature, and we will definitely keep an eye on it, and I'll give you some updates on the temp and how long it's going to take. Okay, right now, let's see what time it is. I'm not sure what time it is, but the time is basically 5 o'clock right now. All right, so we'll definitely keep a check on the time. So let's check the time very shortly. Hey everybody, all right, it's time to check the potatoes. They've been on for about an hour. Give it an hour. All right, whoa, nice color. Very nice color. All right, now, oh, these potatoes are done. Oh, yes. Yes, these potatoes are done. Right now, the internal temperature actually had just reached to 211 degrees. I'm gonna let it up. We have the alarm going off. These potatoes are basically done. All right, so I'm definitely gonna turn it off. Turn off the griddle because these potatoes are done. No resistance at all. Wow. Wow. Okay, excellent. Let me close it down. I'm gonna turn the gas off. All right, gas is off. All right, so when I'm ready to cut into one, I shall return. Okay, everybody, just welcome back. Okay, we got the baked potato here that was done on the griddle, and the whole baked potato, the internal temperature for it to be done, which is very creamy, was done at a 212 degrees. All right, and perfectly it cooked it. All right, I put a little butter and some salt and pepper in it, but now it's time for the taste test. Oh, it's so creamy. And I think it took about an hour, just a little over an hour. This is very good. I don't think I would ever put a baked potato in the oven again. Yeah, I would never put another baked potato in the oven again. And the skin, you can smell the smokiness. You don't have to smoke it. But I do recommend that you, if you can, purchase a probe. That you can actually keep a reading on the internal of the temperature of this potato. But it's cooked perfectly. Oh yeah. Well, I just want to say thank you for watching my videos, and if you can subscribe and ring the bell and give me thumbs up, you know, I would really appreciate it. And I will see you on the future videos and the next upcoming videos coming real soon. And I'll see you later. Have a good night. Bye-bye.